What if I could build an entire startup launch package in under 10 minutes? Landing page, marketing emails, competitor analysis, social media content, everything. You probably won't believe me, right? Well, I just got access to Kimi K2.5's Agent Swarm, and this thing spins up to 100 AI agents working in parallel. And today, I'm proving it works by building a complete startup launch package live in one take. Oh, and I'm giving away 100 free Agent Swarm invites at the end, so stay tuned until the end for details. Let's get into it. So a few days ago, I made a detailed video covering the Kimi K2.5 release from Moonshot AI. And if you haven't watched that, I'll link that in the description. But here's the thing, at that time, I didn't have access to the Agent Swarm feature. I could only talk about it, theoretically, based on the documentation and benchmarks. But now, I got my hands on it, and today I'm going to show you what exactly happens when you give an AI model the ability to spawn up to 100 parallel agents that work together. So what is Agent Swarm? Think about it this way. Traditionally, when you give Claude Code or any AI coding assistant a complex task, it works sequentially. Step 1, then step 2, then step 3. It's like having one really smart developer working alone. Agent Swarm completely flips that paradigm. Kimi K2.5 can self-direct, and this is the key. It can self-direct up to 100 AI sub-agents working in parallel. Each agent can use its own tools independently to search, generate code, analyze data, and organize information. According to Moonshot AI's documentation, this dramatically speeds up long horizon workflows, reducing execution time up to 4.5% for large-scale research, long-form writing, and batch downloads. 4 times faster. That's not an incremental improvement, that's a paradigm shift. K2.5 is about 8 times cheaper than Claude Opus 4.5. So if you're getting faster execution at a fraction of the cost, why not? Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, does this actually work? That's exactly what we're testing today. So let's get into it. Alright, once you're in Kimi.com, the first thing you want to do is go over here and click on the K2.5 Agent Swarm section. So let's click on that. Then I'm going to paste in my prompt. So the first thing I want Kimi to do is I wanted to launch a productivity app called Focus Flow, and I wanted to create everything I need for an MVP launch. So before a investor meeting or anything like that, you're going to need to have something like this ready, right? So you're going to have a landing page, you're going to have a product demo, social media launch content, a press release, email templates, an SEO optimized blog post. So all of this is a bunch of work. Usually it would take about maybe some teams about like a month of preparation to come up with this, especially if you're a startup, you're only going to have 1 or 2 employees. But you have all these tasks. Now, what we're going to do is tell Kimi K2.5 to execute this. And what Kimi K2.5 Agent Swarm is going to do specifically is it's going to assign a bunch of agents to random tasks depending on what it thinks it needs more focus on. So let's see this in action. So we have our first agent called Alan, who is the content writer, and he's going to execute precisely for the content. And we can see over here, we have a bunch of other sub agents that has created a brand strategist, whose name is, what is her name? Judith, a web developer, a content writer, a video producer, a market analyst. So this is amazing, right? So it assigned about 6 agents to accomplish the task listed up. So let's see all of them in execution. For example, you can see Judith's progress is what's happening over here. So she's creating a plan, which is to create a comprehensive brand strategy. And then she is working on a comprehensive competitor analysis. You can see the progress and everything like that. So we have 2 tasks being executed at the moment. What's really cool is that each agent is assigned a role. For example, if we look at this market analyst, and if I click on the role description, it says that you are a strategic market analyst specializing in competitive intelligence for SaaS product. You can create in-depth competitor analysis reports, comparison matrix, positioning analysis, SWOT analysis, everything like that. So this is cool. This person or this agent is specialized in this. So it's kind of like having your own employees that Kimi K2.5 has assigned, right? And if we let's look at the video producer. His name is Professor Davis, I guess, and he is thinking is more important than agreeing blindly. Okay, cool name. Let's see. You're an experienced video producer and storyboard artist specializing in product demo videos for tech startups. You can create detailed scene-by-scene storyboards, short descriptions, everything like that. So in normal cases, you would have to prompt specific agents and assign them specific skills based on that agent. But now what Kimi K2.5 can do is understand your prompt, and then assign specific skills to different agents that we see up over here and let them do the work. Now, once it has the brand strategy and outline of what it needs to do, like the market analysis, now it's launching all the remaining tasks in parallel using the brand guidelines. So based off of these two tasks, so these agents came up with an idea overall, which kind of makes sense. You need to have an idea and a brand before you do everything else. So now it has that, is assigned all of these agents. So we have this guy who's going to do the demo, this guy who's going to create the landing page and HTML structure. He's going to create the X post. This guy is going to create the professional press release. And then Nash is going to create, what's he going to do? 3 email marketing templates. And Toby is writing a blog. And all of this is happening in parallel, meaning all of these tasks are happening at the same time, not one by one, which is kind of sick. And you can see that, for example, we have Paul working here, and I can take a look at what everyone is doing. So if I go to this agent, I can see that he's creating a social media launch. Then this agent over here is creating a to-do file at the moment, then creating the file. So we can see that all of this is happening all at the same time. 6 agents running at the same time. And we can see that Winston is done. So let's take a look at Winston. Which one was he? Number 4. So we'll go here. Look, we can see that Winston is already done. He has the press release and everything like that. And yeah, and it tells you which one you're viewing at over here. So if I were to view on number 3, I'll see that Alan, I'm viewing him. So it's kind of cool. Like you have all your employees, which are your AI agents, running at the same time. And you can take a look at how everyone's doing, see what they have planned. And at the end, everything is going to come together. Looks like all our agents are done completing their specific tasks. And you can see that we have completed on all of them. Now it's just finalizing everything up, creating the website page for us to look at, and all of the content that has created is just putting it into one organized format. So we'll take a look at it once it's ready. All right, so this is the website that Kimi K2.5 and the agents have created using Agent Swarm. So this is not bad at all. Like it looks pretty like professional. I like this landing page, and I like how it's like hovering and everything like that. So you can see focus flow. Focus on what matters. We'll handle the rest. Start focusing free. See how it works. Join 5. Like this is a professional looking website, guys. I'm not just trying to glaze it just for the video. This is actually pretty good. And if we scroll down, everything you need to stay focused. Smart task management, focus sessions. Okay, so it took that simple name and basically turned it into a productivity for enterprises. Start your journey. We have our free tier, pro, team. Not bad at all. FAQ section, everything like that. All right, now let's take a look at the other stuff it created. So we have our version over here. Then with all the files, we have all of them over here. So this is the storyboard that it created. So 2 minutes, 5 seconds, knowledge workers struggling with distraction, the only productivity app that protects your focus while you work. So this is good. Color palette. So this is something that is being consistent across all of the, different tasks that we have assigned it. So yeah, I'm not going to read through the whole storyboard. We have our storyboard over here. And then we have our brand strategy over here. So let's go to social media content. This is your to-do list is lying to you. Okay, so this is, I guess, the X post that I created. Another one over here, full text, everything like that. So we have a bunch of, we have about 9-10 tweets that I created for us and some LinkedIn posts as well. So this is amazing. Then we have our blog post. So I'm guessing this one, yeah. Why traditional to-do lists fail. Why, okay, this is once again, a lot of work that would take normal teams couple of days or hours, all done within 10 minutes-ish. Then we have our email templates that we can use for marketing. Yeah, all of our email templates are over here, which is nice. What else? Let's see our competitor analysis. This is what I'm excited for, how good of a market overview. Okay, so we have market overview. Oh, so we have some actual numbers, 98 billion, and then we expect it to reach 179 billion by 2030, CAGR of 10.5%. Did some market analysis like Notion, ClickUp, Asana, the productivity tools that enterprises use. Then, it also did a comp analysis on all these companies, which is really cool. Then we have that over here, Asana. So this, once again, this is so nice. So much time is being saved on one person, and a one-man team like myself, for example, can create this within 10 minutes, which is really sick. Then we have our brand strategy over here. Okay, so our mission statement is to help people reclaim their focus and unlock their full potential. So this is nice. Brand promise, simplicity, results, balance, reliability. You have our demographics, everything like that, income group, tech comfort. So yeah, this is like actual good quality research that it has done. And this is something that you can refine if you want to, take it, use it, whatever the case may be. So we have all of that here. In under 10 minutes, I have a complete launch kit. The landing page actually looks good and the copy is cohesive. The competitor analysis has real data in it, which is kind of sick as well. So this would have taken a human team 10 days and I was able to do this in 10 minutes. So this is amazing. All right, that's Agent Swarm. Now for the giveaway. I've got 100 invite links and I'm dropping them on my Twitter Monday morning. Each link gives you 3 Agent Swarm sessions for 24 hours. It's first come first served, so make sure you're following me on Twitter so you don't miss it. If you build something cool with it, tag me. I want to see it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. We do real tests, not just headlines. Make sure you're also subscribed to The World of AI. And don't forget to check out our newsletter for deeper breakdowns you won't see on YouTube. And I'm growing my Twitter following, so make sure you follow me on Twitter as well. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.